Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Nissan Juke. Begin by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel so all controls are comfortable and visible. Check the gear selector, handbrake, and dashboard lights. Learn where headlights, indicators, and windshield wipers are located before you start the engine. Confirm tire pressure and fuel level for a safe drive. Take a moment to set your phone to Do Not Disturb and fasten your seatbelt. Warm up the car briefly, then learn smooth starts by coordinating brake release and throttle control. If driving manual, practice clutch bite and short, gentle revs to avoid stalling. For automatic, shift to drive and ease into the accelerator while watching mirrors. Keep steering steady and anticipatory, and practice starts on a flat, quiet road. Build confidence with gradual speed increases and simple turns before attempting busy streets. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to get more easy driving tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you view money and help you budget for maintenance, insurance, and upgrades. Consider it a fun nudge towards smarter car ownership and long-term savings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice common maneuvers in a safe area to build muscle memory and confidence. When changing lanes, mirror checks plus a shoulder glance keep you safe, and use smooth, decisive steering inputs. For parking, rely on judgment lines, sensors, and the rear camera if your Juke has one. Approach tight turns slowly and brake before the corner, then accelerate gently through it. Keep calm and patient while learning.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.